everyone, welcome to my channel, the HowStation. So guys, in my last week video where I had shown you how to make this charms necklace, I had told you in my next week's video I'll be showing you how to make these charms earrings, which are very matching with the necklace. So today we're going to see how to make these earrings. Again, like the necklace, these earrings as well are very easy to make, so without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. So I've got two chains over here. The length of the chains will depend on how long you want your earrings to be, and then I'll take my charms, the butterflies and the leaves. So here I'm using the same ones that I used for my necklace. If you want, you can use the same ones or you can use something different. And then I'm going to attach the charms on each end of the chain with some jump rings. After I'm done attaching the charms, I'm going to take a finding and I'm going to stretch this hole over here so that I can pass it through the chain. And then I'm going to take the chain and I'm going to fold it. Now as you can see, I have not folded it into an exact half. Then I'll take this point and I will pass my finding through that. Now here my hands weren't properly angled and I couldn't see the chain properly, so I was struggling with putting the finding in the chain. So I decided to do that off camera. And after putting the chain in the finding, here is what it'll look like. Now I'm just going to tighten the finding to secure the chain in it. And once that is done, my earrings are ready. So that's it, you guys. You can either wear both the items together or you can wear them separately. If you're into all the matchy stuff, then obviously you can rock them both together, or you can just rock the earrings or the necklace, or you can just add different charms all together and make a completely different set. So I hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. If you all did, please do hit the like button down there and tell me in the comments down below on how you thought the video was. If there are any other how-tos, video requests, feedback, suggestions that you would like to make, you can do that as well in the comments down below. Share the video with your friends and family so that even they can watch it. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe by clicking on the circle over here that has got my face in it. You can watch my previous two videos over here. And yeah, so that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, have a good day, take care, and goodbye.